Hello, everybody. It's Tuesday, well, at least my time, 3 in the afternoon, Pacific Coast time in the United States. Getting ready to go into Tokyo for the Wednesday session, which would be Wednesday, June 17th. Just taking a look around here, thought I'd point a few things out. On the pound yen, last night, just made a little post about how it might take a bounce off of this area here, because we have the divot, divot, excuse me, that's a golf term, daily pivot, the weekly pivot, and this support resistance line here at 59.70, I think it's 78, 77. We just got these all stacked up in here, and I had a feeling this was going to cause a little bit of a problem for a climb back up. It did poke through. That was short-lived, came back down, so that 1 hour candle didn't hang up there. But you can see it's caused a little resistance here, and it's fallen back down. Unfortunately, I was sleeping, or otherwise I would have kept an eye on the PA and hopefully would have entered a trade, especially when I saw this come back here and hang out in this area. Now what we got setting up is right here on that 158. It's starting to stack up and starting to push down. We're going to get a consolidation this time of day, a squeeze like that, just because there's no volume out there right now. Between New York close and the Sydney and Tokyo open, there's not a whole heck of a lot going on in the Forex market, except for after-hours trading and guys like me and you, the overnight traders that are trading on the internet from home. Otherwise, all the major banks and institution and government entities are all closed, so there's not going to be a lot of volume. So you're going to see the price squeeze usually around this time every night. But the last few days, it's been staying in a range rather than making a clear squeeze like that. So I'm looking at 158, maybe breaking through after the Tokyo Open, or it may take a bounce up off of here. So that 158 level is a key area to watch. The other thing I'm looking at is the pound is starting to show a consolidation, and again, very little volume at this time, but it is kind of making a clearer consolidation. Let's see here, take it from here to there. It's starting to consolidate and maybe break through a little bit. And we got the squeeze coming down from the top that way. So anyway, just something to look at there. Looks, all indications. You look at the higher lower compressions, and it looks like it's going to want to break down at least for a little bit. Not saying that the trend is going to turn downwards, because it's been on an upward climb here. But there's been a lot of dollar strength and yen strength last couple days after the G8 meeting this weekend. So just something to think about. Might make a little move back down here. At least maybe to 63.50. Maybe even come down here and visit the daily pivot. Might be a little area to pick up a few. And lastly, I'm also looking at the Euro-Japanese yen, which is setting up pretty much like the pound yen. Again, this is a much more clearer level here at the 133.28. I haven't drawn any lines on this chart. I only draw them to, when I'm posting a chart or something, I usually just go without the lines. So 133.26 level here, 25 level, it's starting to find some nice support there, and we've got the wedge coming down that way, and it's starting to make the squeeze in there. So same thing as the pound yen, could break down, could break up. After the Tokyo Open, that's when the volume starts pumping in the market and the prices start to move. It might not be a big move. Tokyo market hasn't provided a lot of movement lately, and not as much as the European and London market does. But just something to watch. I thought I'd go ahead and point that out. And anyway, I'll come back later, and I might come back later. So I just want to get that posted, something to throw up on the website for you to look at and follow. So I'll see you later. Take care, guys.